My name is Justin Cutting, and I'm the CEO of Plunge Audio. Plunge Audio is in the business of helping musicians and music lovers of all types experience music as the work of art that it's meant to be. We do that by capturing the experience of a custom-made, professional-grade in-ear monitor, but packaging it in a Universal-Fit format. I joined the Incubator program as a continuation of the Velocity program, actually. As soon as Velocity wrapped up, I immediately applied for Incubator, just hoping for a continuation of the building of those relationships with some of the platform staff and advisors, and really stay in that headspace and continue to get coached and continue to try and extract really value that I can apply to my business from an organization that is really interested in helping me succeed. Tangibly speaking, navigating challenges has been a huge thing that Platform Incubator has helped us understand better. It's the peer-to-peer support, and to be able to come here and unpack all sorts of issues and challenges that I'm facing with Plunge, but also in life, and to get support and feedback from people who genuinely understand the journey that I'm on. It's so consistent, it's so in-depth because of the length of the program, and it's so holistic as well. I think more than that though, on this journey, of course, every day there's something you realize you need to understand better to be effective in leading an organization.